Welcome back to our channel, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant and culturally rich country of Vietnam, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing our top tips on how to plan the perfect trip to Vietnam in 2023. So, let's get started. The first step in planning your trip to Vietnam is choosing the right time to visit. Vietnam experiences different weather patterns throughout the year, so it's important to consider the seasons. Generally, the best time to visit is during the spring, February to April, and autumn, August to October, when the weather is pleasant and rainfall is minimal. Vietnam is a diverse country with a wide range of destinations to explore. From the bustling city life of Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City to the breathtaking landscapes of Ha Long Bay and the serene countryside of Hoin, there's something for everyone. Research the destinations that interest you the most and create an itinerary based on your preferences. Once you've decided on the destinations you want to visit, it's time to plan your itinerary. Keep in mind that Vietnam is a large country, so it's essential to allocate enough time for each location. Consider the travel distances and transportation options between cities to ensure a smooth and efficient journey. One of the highlights of visiting Vietnam is immersing yourself in its rich culture. Take the time to learn about the local customs and traditions before your trip. Engage with the friendly locals, sample traditional Vietnamese cuisine, and explore the vibrant markets for an authentic experience. When it comes to accommodation, Vietnam offers a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious hotels to budget-friendly hostels and homestays, you'll find something that fits your needs. Booking in advance is recommended, especially during peak travel seasons, to secure the best deals and availability. Vietnam has a well-developed transportation system that allows you to travel conveniently between cities and attractions. Domestic flights, trains, buses, and private transfers are all viable options. Research the different modes of transportation and choose the ones that suit your itinerary and budget. Packing the right essentials can make your trip much more comfortable. Consider the weather and activities you have planned. Lightweight and breathable clothing, comfortable walking shoes, and a travel adapter are a must. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and any necessary medications. Ensuring your safety is paramount while traveling. Vietnam is generally a safe country, but it's always wise to take precautions. Keep your valuables secure, be aware of your surroundings, and follow local laws and customs. It's also recommended to have travel insurance to cover any unforeseen circumstances. Finally, don't forget to embrace the spirit of adventure. Vietnam is full of incredible experiences, from trekking through lush mountains to cruising along the Mekong Delta. Be open to trying new things and creating lifelong memories. Planning the perfect trip to Vietnam in 2023 is an exciting endeavor. By choosing the right time to visit, researching destinations, and creating a well-structured itinerary, you'll be well prepared for your adventure. Remember to immerse yourself in the culture, arrange accommodation and transportation, pack smartly, and prioritize your safety. And above all, embrace the adventure and enjoy every moment of your trip to this remarkable country. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!